Hi guys, we are ready for Unit 6, Week 2, Day 4. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to review our sounds. We're just going to say the sounds today. All, am, an, ch, th, or, th, qua, wa, g, j, sh, k, all. All right, we're at the beginning. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to build some words. We're going to make some words. So I'm going to build them, you're going to type them, and then we'll mark them up together. All right, here is our first word. All right, let's get those fingers ready. Here we go. O. Mill, mills. How do I mark this word up? The first thing that I see is a bonus letter. Did you see it? The L is doubled because it comes at the end of a word, right? Our bonus letter needs to be doubled when it comes at the end if it's an L, right? Our suffix is just added. It's a word even if it's not there. All right. Okay, what's the next thing that we need to do? We need to underline the base word. The base word is what? Mill. The next thing that we need to do is we need to circle our suffix S. Now we need to write above it what this S says. Let's listen. Mills. I hear Z at the end, so I'm going to put a Z above it because this S says the Z sound. Great job. Let's do another one. All right, here we go. Let's tap it. N, chin, chins. What do I need to do to mark up this word? That's right, there's a diagraph, CH. I need to underline my diagraph. What else do you see? The base word. What's my base word? Chin. And then what do I need to do next? Circle the suffix S. And I would do what? An S or a Z? Let's listen. Chins. I would do a Z because I hear the Z sound at the end. Great job. All right, here is another one. Here we go. Bud, bud, buds. What do I need to do to mark up this word? My base word is bud, so I underline it. My suffix is a suffix S, so I circle it, right? And let's see, what does it say at the end? Buds. I hear the Z sound, so I'm going to put the Z above it. Great job. All right, here's another one. Let's tap it. N, 10, tens. Let's see, what's my base word? 10. Now, is this the number 10? No, this is like a tin can, like a metal. It's a kind of metal. All right, now, the next thing we need to do is we need to circle our suffix S. And this suffix S says what? Tens. It says the Z sound, so I would put a Z above it. Great job. Now we are going to read some sentences. Are you ready? All right, here is our first sentence. I circled this word because it's one of our trick words for this week. Do you remember what trick word this is? This word is who. Let's read the sentence. Who has the pens? Let's read it one more time. Who has the pens? I see a word that has a suffix S. Do you see it? Which word has a suffix S? Pens. Great job. What is our base word in pens? Pen. Good job. All right, let's do another sentence. Here's our second sentence. What did you get at the shops? What did you get at the shops? You know what I see? I see one of our trick words for this week. What trick word is that? It's what? Good job. Do you see any words in this sentence that has a suffix S? I see it too. Shops has a suffix S. What is our base word? Shop is our base word. Very good. Okay, I have some of our word of the days words up here. So we're going to tap them out and read them first. All right, so get your fingers ready. Here we go. K, all, call. Ch, much. J, ob, job, jobs. Sh, shut. Okay, so now I have some questions for you. Are you ready? Okay, you have to figure out which word goes with my question. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to trick you. Find a word that has a base word and a suffix. Find a word that has a base word and a suffix. Did you find it? Jobs. What is the base word? Job would be the base word. What's the suffix? The suffix is S. What sound does this S make? Jobs. It makes the Z sound. Great job. All right, here's your next question. Find a word that has a diagraph at the end of the word. Find a word that has a diagraph at the end of the word. Do you see it? Much. What is the diagraph in much? CH. All right, here's the next question. Can you find a word that has a glued sound? Can you find a word that has a glued sound? I see it, do you? Call. All is our glued sound, so I put a box around it. Now, can you find a word that has a diagraph at the beginning of the word? That's right, it's shut. SH is our diagraph. It says shh. All right, now I want you to find a word that is a synonym. That means that it means the same thing. So I want you to find a word that means close. Did you say shut? You're right. Shut means that you close something. Great job. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to review some of our words and sounds. So we're just going to tap out some words. Are you ready? Here we go. J-am, jam. How would I mark this word up? I put a box around the glued sound am. Great job. Let's do another one. All right, let's tap this one. All, wall. How do I mark this word up? Yeah, I put a box around A-L-L because why? It's a glued sound. What else can I do to this word? I can put a star above L-L because it's a bonus letter. All right, let's do another one. Van. What do I need to do to mark this word up? That's right, I need to put a box around A-N because it's a glued sound. All right, let's see if I can trick you on this one. Let's tap this word out. Chill. Chill. How do I mark up this word? I underline CH because it's a digraph. What else do I need to do? I need to put a star above LLY. It's a bonus letter. Remember, LFS and sometimes Z get doubled when it comes at the end of a word and after a short vowel. Great job. All right, we're going to do one more. Are you ready? Let's see. Let's do... All right, let's tap it. Man. How would I mark up this word? That's right, I would put a box around A-N. All right, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye.